All right, I told you guys I had bought more squishies and they finally arrived. This is a 4-pack of glitter dumpling squishies that I purchased on Amazon. And this is by the Juve Hot brand. So let's see what's inside. Okay, if you haven't seen any of my other squishy unboxings, check out my playlist on YouTube and my Amazon storefront for where you can purchase these and for more squishy food toy reviews. Let's see what this one is in. Look at this. This is so cool. I've never seen transparent dumpling squishies before. Mmm. Oh, it smells sweet. So cute. Oh, gold. These are really firm squishies. Look at that glitter. They're kind of sticky too. Look how cute they are. Okay, we'll put him back. The other squishies that I reviewed were like a different material. So these are like sticky and firmer. The other ones were softer. Ooh, blue. Wow, very sticky. Ooh, extra squishy too. Okay, let's see what the last color is. Ooh, red. Very pretty. Well, I hope this unboxing was fun for you to watch. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out where you can purchase this set of 4 glitter squishy dumplings on Amazon. And I'll see you in the next one.